Yeah. Flocabulary in the building. Look. What's a line? Here's a lesson. A straight mark that extends infinitely in both directions. What's a plane? Don't get nervous. That's a flat, endless, two-dimensional surface. Two lines on the plane can be parallels, perpendicular. See? The parallel, if they intersect, never and stay the same distance apart forever. Think of train tracks or piano keys, or parallels, and remember with ease. Parallel is marked by the symbol, so we could say line AB is parallel to CD. Two lines are perpendicular. If they intersect at a right angle, get familiar. That's the angle that measures 90 degrees. Think corners of a door, computer screens. The symbol for a perpendicular, believe me, looks like an upside down capital T. If two lines aren't perpendicular or parallel, they're just called intersecting lines. Listen well, cuz parallel lines are everywhere you go. Parallels is the clue you need to know. For perpendicular lines, look around and see they meet at right angles like a T. I said parallel lines are everywhere you go. Parallels is the clue you need to know. For perpendicular lines, look around and see they meet at right angles like a T. Let me interrupt the chorus, I don't mean to be rude. Many geometric shapes include parallel, perpendicular lines. Technically the line segments where you find two endpoints where a line terminates, but for now we'll call them lines so I can demonstrate. Take quadrilaterals, which I define for you. Any shape with four sides and four angles too. Different quadrilaterals have different rules. Memorize these so you can use them as tools. Trapezoids have one pair of lines that are parallel and look like the top of a house that I saw for sale. Parallelograms have exactly two pairs of parallel lines, but you better beware. Don't confuse it with a rhombus, which has the same people, but all four sides are congruent or equal. Four rectangles, think four right angles. They can outline a person from their head to their ankles. They have two pairs of parallel lines and two pairs of perpendicular lines. A square is a special type of rectangle, listen, where everything a rectangle has in addition to having all four sides be congruent. Show parallel and perpendicular with arm movements. Parallel lines are everywhere you go. Parallels is the clue you need to know. For perpendicular lines, look around and see they meet at right angles like a T. I said parallel lines are everywhere you go. Parallels is the clue you need to know. For perpendicular lines, look around and see they meet at right angles like a T. I said parallel lines are everywhere you go. Parallels is the clue you need to know. For perpendicular lines, look around and see they meet